Look at hot ice cream cones!
HobbyKidsTV surprise toys!
Hey guys, hey, they're not edible!
Huh?
There's a surprise inside those cones!
Yeah!
Let's get this party started! Woohoo! Party poppers! Woo! Whoa!
Ooh.
The ice cream wasn't edible, but the cones are. Look, you guys can make things. More ice cream cones with surprises.
Oh, what are these? What are these?
Colored bubbles.
Bubbles? What are bubbles?
These are not your ordinary bubbles. Oh my goodness, we have to read this before we play. These are purple bubbles. Hobby Frog got blue bubbles. Let's go outside and play with these guys. Let's go have some fun with these bubbles.
Want to switch to bubbles?
What, you don't like purple? Wow, that was a double.
Oh, they're not blue.
The liquid is real blue, but the bubbles don't really come out blue. They could stain your clothes. They're actually pretty. They have color. Do you see the color in them? Like rainbow color.
Ooh, actually they're cool.
Maybe you blow a big one.
Don't agree with me.
More ice cream surprises.
Oh, I got Batman! Hey, I got Superman!
Batman versus Superman. Okay, we have to do a drawing and see who comes up with the best drawing. We got Batman versus Superman. Isn't there a movie coming out with them? Who's gonna win, Batman or Superman?
I'm rooting for Batman. Superman. They're going into quicksand. Yeah. Well, Superman can never die from quicksand. There's kryptonite under there. Yeah. She's dying.
Oh no, get him out, Hobby Frog.
I hope he's not dead.
You saved Superman.
Ah!
Took his head off.
Oh no, that was the kryptonite.
Oh, okay. And Batman.
Thankfully, he's still alive.
Okay, we're gonna have a challenge. Who is going to draw the fastest picture?
Mine's gonna be kind of slow because I'm gonna draw a pig riding on a horse with a laser blaster. Oh!
Okay, and Hobby Frog, what are you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw a monster eating a human.
You're gonna draw a monster eating a human. Okay. Here's your papers.
Here's my Batman.
You don't have a bat. Frog eating hobby pig.
Oh, that's a frog eating hobby pig. There's his big frog eyes, big old teeth, and there's a hobby pig stuck in his teeth. You need a toothpick to get him out?
Yeah!
And here's Hobby Pigs. Explain this to me, Hobby Pig.
That's me. I need to use some weight, truly. This is the horse, my best horse I could do. This is the laser.
So here's Hobby Pig with his laser gun on a horse, like he said. Pretty good, guys. Yeah.
I'm gonna draw.
I'm the Joker, and I am going to get Batman.
Ooh. Flash. I'll use you, Flash. Okay. It's an alien with arms and 4 ears with butt wings.
Butt wings? Butt wings. Okay, you mean he has wings. It's an alien with wings.
Yeah, but the wings are in his butt.
Okay. How's yours coming along, Hobby Frog?
I'm done.
Let me see it. And here's Hobby Frog's robot.
Yeah, sharp claws. Who do you like better? The robot with sharp claws or the alien with 4 ears and a butt wing? You have to leave your answers in the comments. Whoever has the most votes wins. So leave your comments below. Pick mine. I dare you pick mine. Mine has butt wings. And mine has robot wing arms. And it doesn't show that in the picture.
Are you ready for this real sweet surprise? And it's not the ice cream cone. Pick your color.
Purple.
Ooh, they got Kono snacks in the shape of an ice cream cone, of course.
They have like little M&Ms. Yeah.
Ooh, it's chocolate and they're little baby M&Ms. Yummy! We are going to have a challenge with this. Hobby Pig is going to make a pig. And Hobby Frog is going to make a frog.
I'm gonna make the pig riding on a horse with laser blast.
Okay, well, let's see how you do with that. On your mark, get set, go! Pig, frog.
Here's my frog.
Let me see your frog, Hobby Frog. Oh. Here's Hobby Frog's frog.
That's a frog?
Yeah, it's his 2 eyes, his legs, back here. Oh, it's a cute frog. And here's Hobby Pig's pig.
I was never even at the stuff.
Okay, we've got a nose, and it actually looks like a little puppy. Subscribe today and give this video a big thumbs up.